Hello everyone! For the first ornament you will need any kind of ribbon, beads, strings, buttons, needle and thread. So I want the stars to be on the upper part because this side doesn't look good. Now I will put the needle straight through the star, then a bead and so on, but every time I will leave a bigger loop for the ribbon. When I'm happy with the length of the tree, I will fix the last bead in place and cut the excess. I will attach a string for hanging the ornament in the tree, then attach the button and on top of it I will place the silver snowflake with glue. I think it's really cute, and of course you can make them with any kind of ribbon or beads, any shape, any color. For the next one I have this ribbon and I want to make a flower, so I will choose the length of my petals. I think this one is okay and I will cut it. Then I will use this one as a fixed size to cut the rest of them. I cut 8 and now I will put the needle through one side, then a bead and then the other side, and continue to do the same for the others. When you are done, pull the thread from the other side and make a knot. Then attach the string through the middle and done. For the next one I will use some wire and beads. I have to double fold it to make it sturdier. I will start by putting a lot of beads on it. Attach the Christmas string on one side, manipulate the wire to give the shape that you want. I think this looks like a nice Christmas tree, and make sure you fold the end of the wire. For the next ornaments, you can use an empty condiment jar or a light bulb that is not good anymore. And I will stop talking now because you're probably bored of me. So, like, subscribe and enjoy!